ATI. I wanted to share with you the reasons why I really like my Apple iPhone XS. I've had this phone for a while now and I really like this model a lot. One of my favorite features is the security feature in actually accessing the phone. So instead of using your thumb, it actually scans your face. So if I'm trying now to open my phone, it's not going to let me. But when it scans my face, it opens. So that makes me feel really good that no one else but me can access my phone. I also love that this model has 256 gigabytes, so this is so great for people that like taking pictures and videos. As you can see, I have over 9,000 photos on my phone, but am I running out of space? No, I've only used up 185 gigabytes. So this phone is so great for people that want to take a lot of photos, a lot of videos, but don't want to be constantly deleting videos, photos, and apps because they're running out of storage. Another feature I love about this phone is the wallet. So the wallet's so great because once you put in your credit card or your debit card information, it stores it. So that means you can go and pay for items only using your phone because you can scan the barcode and automatically you can make your purchase, which is so great. You can also put in your boarding pass, you can put in movie tickets, and all you need is this wallet feature and everything works great. So I think this is such a nice feature. It saves a lot of time. So this Apple phone is really great. I think you're going to love it just as much as I do, and that's my point of view.